Hello, everyone. It's Friday afternoon, pretty much 6 o'clock Friday afternoon. Anyway, I wanted to bring you a quick video on this name, OTLK. We spoke about this 2 days ago when they had the upgrade by Oppenheimer. Price was set to $12. We discussed this news pre-market, posted a video. Didn't expect the price to jump over in 1 day, and that's exactly what happened. But if you pay attention to the time frames, we're gonna go into the daily, and we're gonna go into the 5 minute time frame here. Um, this is the day that we posted the video, exactly the day that the news came out. It was trending on pretty much a dollar and change. It had a pre-market highs of, if I'm not mistaken, right here, $1.34, and this thing just started moving. Posted this stock during the day. We had a pretty nice run up, and as you see, it held its price over the 50 pure moving average. Tested a couple of times and a couple of retracements, as you can see here. Doji fly or dragonfly doji formations. A couple of times it tested the 50 pure moving average, but it held the price. Now today had a continuation, pretty nice run up. Um, Pre-market here, as you notice there, a high at 225. Also posted these pictures on Twitter, pre-market, and took a small video of everything in the trade live, but that's a recording that I have in my computer. I'm not going to be posting that. Um, so as you see here, pretty nice run up, breaking the small flag right here, pre-market, and very nice development of time frame. Uh, the stock moved pretty nice over the day, and just wanted to bring you a small video here. I mentioned this stock was set or was upgraded by Oppenheimer, and they set a price target of $12 per share. I think in the next couple of days we're gonna see the stock run up in a pretty nice way. But again, it doesn't really matter. Um, I just would like to get a nice piece of the pie. You see here, pretty nice gap right here up to the level of this candle, which is $3.06. And then we have a pretty much almost no resistance in a couple of different levels here. But just wanted to bring you the small video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for listening.